Tell us about this one, Aaron. Yeah, that is mad, like,
and rude and disrespectful and homo sapien.
In the middle of a gunfight, in the center of a restaurant, they say, come when you're on race high. Well, they're never gonna get me. Well, I can put the suckers out to wait.
Oh, you can't see it. Well, it's, you know what they do to guys like us in prison? My Chemical Romance Life on Emergency. I want to see the mausoleum. I'm so confused. Well, there should be. It's a cemetery.